Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best travel moisturizer is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who loves to explore new destinations, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and happy despite changing climates, cabin air, or varying humidity levels, making it a crucial companion for maintaining a healthy glow on all your adventures. Number 5. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. Start your day right with this essential facial moisturizer. It's designed to hydrate and protect your skin every morning. This lotion provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection, shielding your skin from harmful UVA/UVB rays. It's your daily defense against sun damage. Formulated with powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides, it helps restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. These work together for healthier-looking skin. This lightweight formula is oil-free, ensuring a non-greasy feel. Plus, it's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. Experience all-day hydration and reliable sun protection with this gentle formula. It's suitable for daily use, leaving your skin feeling smooth and cared for. What we like? This one offers broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection, making it a great 2-in-1 solution. If you're looking for daily sun protection combined with hydration, this is an excellent choice. It simplifies your morning routine by providing essential moisture and UV defense. What people say. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover a daily solution for your skin's needs. This innovative moisturizer is designed to provide essential hydration and repair. It works to restore your skin's natural barrier, leaving it feeling stronger and healthier. Experience the difference of advanced skin science. Formulated with key ingredients like ceramide and niacinamide, it helps to soothe and fortify your complexion. These powerful components work in harmony for optimal results. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive, this cream is gentle yet effective. It's designed to cater to a wide range of skin concerns. Enjoy a lightweight, non-greasy feel without any added scents. This ensures a comfortable and irritation-free experience for even the most delicate skin. What we like? This moisturizer focuses on repairing and restoring the skin barrier with ceramides and niacinamide. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to irritation, its fragrance-free, gentle formula is ideal. It provides intense hydration while strengthening your skin's natural defenses. What people say. Number 3. The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus Hyaluronic Acid. This formula provides immediate and long-lasting hydration. It's designed to keep your skin feeling comfortable and moisturized throughout the day. Experience a refreshing, non-greasy texture. It absorbs quickly, leaving no heavy residue behind. It works to fortify your skin's natural protective barrier. This helps defend against environmental stressors and maintain overall skin health. Infused with key ingredients like hyaluronic acid, it draws moisture into the skin. This ensures deep and sustained hydration for a plump, healthy look. Regular use helps improve skin texture and appearance. You'll notice a smoother, more radiant complexion with continued application. What we like? This option is all about straightforward, effective hydration with natural moisturizing factors. If you prefer a minimalist approach to skincare and want pure, lightweight moisture, this is perfect. It supports your skin's natural barrier without any unnecessary frills. What people say. No reviews were found in the provided source JSON to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no positive product details could be selected. Number 2. Cetaphil Face Moisturizer Daily SPF 35. Introducing our daily facial moisturizer. It's designed to provide essential hydration for your skin, keeping it soft and smooth throughout the day. This moisturizer features an oil-free formula, perfect for maintaining a fresh, non-greasy feel. It absorbs quickly without clogging pores. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays with its built-in SPF 35. This essential protection helps prevent sun damage and premature aging. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, this lotion is formulated to suit your needs. It's gentle yet effective for daily use. Enjoy a gentle experience with its fragrance-free composition. This makes it ideal for sensitive skin, minimizing the risk of irritation. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine for healthy, protected skin. It provides continuous hydration and defense against environmental stressors. What we like. This moisturizer provides robust SPF 35 protection in an oil-free formula. If you have oily, combination, or sensitive skin and need reliable sun protection without feeling greasy, this is your go-to. It offers daily defense and hydration without clogging pores. What people say. Number 1. Jack Black Double Duty Face Moisturizer with SPF 20. Start your day with essential moisture. This product provides deep hydration, keeping your skin feeling fresh and comfortable all day long. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays. It includes SPF 20, offering crucial defense against sun damage, preventing premature aging. Specifically formulated for men's skin. This lotion addresses unique needs, ensuring optimal care and a healthy appearance. Enjoy a comfortable feel without any residue. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin smooth and never greasy. Looking for a thoughtful present? This moisturizer makes an excellent gift for any man who values skincare and protection. What we like. This product is specifically designed for men, offering a double-duty solution with SPF 20. If you're a man looking for a simple, effective moisturizer that also provides sun protection, this is an excellent fit. It keeps your skin hydrated and protected with a no-fuss approach. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.